Welcome, everyone. Today, we will be discussing the fascinating field of thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is a branch of physics that deals with the properties, transformations, and energies of systems at equilibrium or near equilibrium. It is named after the Greek word thermos, which means heat. At its core, thermodynamics is all about the relationship between energy and the three fundamental forces in nature: gravity, electromagnetism, and the weak nuclear force. It is a branch of statistical mechanics, which is in turn a subfield of physics that deals with the behavior of large ensembles of particles. The foundation of thermodynamics is the principle of conservation of energy, which states that the total energy of a closed system remains constant. This principle, along with the second law of thermodynamics, which states that the entropy of a closed system always increases, forms the basis for understanding the behavior of systems near equilibrium. Throughout history, humans have made countless observations and calculations based on the principles of thermodynamics to better understand the world around them. These principles have been applied to various fields, including heating and cooling systems, transportation, and energy production. One of the most important concepts in thermodynamics is the idea of the isothermal process, which states that the temperature of a closed system remains constant regardless of the amount of heat added or removed from it. This principle is used in refrigeration and heat pump systems, which convert between different forms of energy, such as heat and work. In conclusion, thermodynamics is a fascinating field that provides valuable insights into the fundamental properties of energy and the behavior of systems near equilibrium. By understanding the principles of thermodynamics, we can harness the power of nature to create sustainable and efficient technologies that benefit our daily lives.